Switching gears, understanding a common English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to switch gears. This idiom is widely used in both casual and professional contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's get started. The phrase, to switch gears, is an idiom that originally comes from the world of automobiles, where switching gears changes the car's speed and mode of operation. In everyday English, this phrase metaphorically means to change your approach, focus, or activity. It's often used when someone shifts from one topic to another or changes their method of doing something. Example, during the meeting, we switched gears from discussing our marketing strategy to planning the company event. Casual conversations. In casual settings, switching gears can be used to change the subject of a conversation or to start a new activity. Example, I know we were talking about movies, but let's switch gears and talk about our weekend plans. Professional settings. In a professional context, this idiom is often used to indicate a strategic change or shift in focus during meetings or presentations. Example, now that we've covered our financial updates, let's switch gears and move on to our upcoming project milestones. Context is key. Understanding the situation helps in appropriately using the phrase. Use it to smoothly transition. It's a great tool for smoothly transitioning from one topic or activity to another. Not just for topics, it can also refer to changing emotions or attitudes. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, to switch gears. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom effectively in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.